Hello guys, this is tutorial on how to change the cabin filter on Corsa D series. First open the drawer and you have 4 Torx T20 here, under here and here. Remove them, remove the drawer out, and I'll show you next what to do. Now you have to remove this clip. Use a screwdriver or something, pull it down, pull it here, see, remove this. Now you have here is the cabin filter. Just unhook it like this and on the upper side, and take it out and put in the new one. It goes like this inside, so you don't get confused and everything. And then you put this back on, this, and put back the drawer, and that's it.